Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and this is Pranav Saini. So we are at Shameem Salon, Patiala, and this is the most awaited video so far. So this video is regarding hair color, and we're gonna get your hair new look by getting the streaks done. So let's get on with it. So today we are using Vela Professional products, and the color we have chosen is Pearl Cendre Intense 89 Plus Magma from Vela Professional range. So now we have chosen the hair color. The first step is wash the hair to get the dirt and oil out of it and dry it properly before applying the hair color. So we are mixing 15 gram sachet of Magma 89 Plus with 30 volume Blackson Perfect. You can use 40 volume Blackson Perfect. It depends upon your hair texture as suggested by the professional. The reason we are using Vela Professional Magma color is you doesn't have to go with the two-way step like first the blonder then the color. You have to just apply it once and you will get the hair color done. So you have to keep a check on it whether you're getting the desired hair color or not. And the most amazing thing about Vela Professional Magma hair color is that your hair will not get rough. So it's done guys. So you have to just wash your hair with Magma post treatment from Vela Professional. So guys, this is how Pearl Cendre Intense 89 Plus Vela Professional Magma looks like. Thank you so much guys. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And special thanks to Shameem Salon Patiala, and this video is brought to you by Final Take Films. Thank you.